Welcome to Pramod Nainapalli YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the last part in the first unit of POC2, Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2, that is structure and uses of some selected benzene derivatives. So we are going to discuss some of the important benzene derivatives which have the pharmaceutical uses and other uses. So those compounds we are going to study their structure and the medicinal uses. First one is an DDT. So DDT, what is DDT means? DDT indicates dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. So the very simple, first D stands for dichloro, another D stands for diphenyl, T stands for trichloroethane. Now let us see its structure. Its structure is very simple. First, diphenyl. Diphenyl means two phenyl group. Means phenyl means benzene ring. Okay. So this is one benzene. This is one benzene. That is nothing but diphenyl. So diphenyl, dichlorodiphenyl means on phenyl rings there is a chlorine group is there. So diphenyl, dichloro, trichloroethane. Trichloroethane means ethane means how many carbon? They are linked together. 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 2 carbons are there. Trichloro means here one chlorine, here one chlorine, here one chlorine. This is 1, 2, 3. Yes. This is the structure of the DDT. DDT means very simple. You have to remember by the name itself. Dichloro means 2 chlorine and diphenyl. Diphenyl means 2 phenyl group. That is nothing but diphenyl. Dichloro, diphenyl. Trichloro means this is a trichloro. Trichloro. How many? Trichloro. Ethane means 1, 2. Ethane. This is ethane. This 1, 2, 3. That's why we call it as trichloro. So very simple way of understanding the structure. In the name itself you can remember there is a dichloro, there is a diphenyl, benzene ring. When it becomes a substitution, then it becomes phenyl, diphenyl. Okay, and trichloro means on one carbon there is a 3 chlorine group is there. Ethane means 2 carbon, 1, 2. 2 carbons, root word is eth, single bond is there, ethane, ANE. So this is what the structure of the DDT. Now when you come to the point of its uses, they are mainly used in the pharmaceutically. When you consider, they mainly used in the insecticides. So to kill the insects, the first user of this is insecticides. Insecticides means to kill the insects. And also in the World War II, they are used in the treatment of typhoid, malaria. So malaria caused by female Anopheles mosquitoes. In those cases, this has been used. So the main uses are insecticides, typhoid, malaria. So generally in the during the examinations, university examinations, they will write the structure and uses for 2 marks. It is very important for 2 marks question. So it is used as an insecticides to kill the insecticides, and it is used in the treatment of typhoid caused by Salmonella typhi. It is used for the treatment of malaria during the World War II. This DDT has been employed. This is a uses and structure of DDT. Now next compound if we take is, it is the saccharin. So the second one is saccharin. Saccharin. What is this saccharin? What is the name of this compound means? This is benzene. Benzene fused with 5-membered ring containing sulfur and nitrogen. What is the 5-membered ring containing sulfur and nitrogen? It is an heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are those compounds in which one or the more hydrogens are replaced by heteroatoms, either sulfur or nitrogen. Now if you see that benzene is fused, that's why we call it as benzo. So what is their substituent? 1, 1 at first position, first, second, third is an heterocyclic atom we are naming. This is common benzo. Heterocyclic, first we will give priority to sulfur. 1 dioxo, first position sulfur. 1, 2 thio means sulfur. Thiazole. Compound is saccharin. What is the structure of this saccharin? Saccharin structure is benzene fused with 5-membered ring containing nitrogen and sulfur. So they are called as a saccharin. Now what is the name of this saccharin means? This we know that it is a benzo. We know that benzo. So we are not writing first that this is a benzo. First we will number this 1, 2, 3 ring. In this what we name it as 1, 1 dioxo. Here at first position on sulfur 2 oxygens are attached. 1, 1 dioxo. Benz. Sulfur means thio. Nitrogen means azole. So 5-membered ring containing sulfur and nitrogen means, sulfur means we call it as thio. Nitrogen means azole. We will call it as an azole. At third position what is there is 3-1. So this is an IUPAC name of this particular saccharin. Very simple. 1, 1 dioxo. On sulfur we number it as 1, 2, 3. 1, 1 dioxo. So benzene fused with sulfur containing nitrogen, 5-membered ring. You are going to study in the 4th semester about heterocyclic. 5-membered ring containing sulfur and nitrogen means they are thiazole. So benzothiazole. Our third position ketone is there. We name it as a 3-one. We name it as a 3-one. So what is this saccharin? What are the uses of this saccharin? So uses of saccharin is used as a artificial sweetener. So it is used as an artificial sweetener. It is 300 to 400 times. 300 to 400 times more sweet than sucrose. Sweeter than sucrose. More sweeter than sucrose. And this is used for the diabetes patient. So diabetes patient should not eat the normal sugar. So normal sugar may increase the blood glucose level. So they get the sugar. So you have to use the artificial sweetener. So that artificial sweetener will not increase the glucose level in the diabetes patient. So diabetes patient will use saccharin, which will not at all increase the sweet, which will be 300 to 400 times sweetener, but it will not increase the glucose level. Because of that they will be used by the diabetes patient. So this is a second important compound, its structure and uses. And third, if you see that third one, is BHC. What is this BHC? Benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride or cyclohexane hexachloride. Cyclohexane. What is this? This is six-membered ring containing carbon which are saturated. No double bond. It is not a benzene. It is a cyclohexane. Cyclohexane hexachloride means all 6 positions there is a chlorine group, and this structure is called as a benzene hexachloride, or we call it as an hexachloride. We call it as an, in other words, we term it as an hexachlorocyclohexane. Hexachloro means 6 chlorine. Cyclo means cyclic. Cyclohexane. 6-membered ring which are saturated. Hexachlorocyclohexane. It is also called as a lindane. It is also called as, generally we term it as lindane. Okay, it is used termed as a lindane. What you get in a gammaxine, it is a very important one. So their uses are insecticides. They use as insecticides. They are employed in the treatment or to kill the lice. Lice means on your head you get scabies, treatment of scabies, skin related irritation, skin related scabies caused by the mite. In those conditions they have been employed, but this will cause neurotoxin means this may lead to, if it is taken, this may lead to the central nervous system or brain will get toxified. Okay, so it is very dangerous. We should not consume. It is used for the treatment of lice, remove the lice, scabies, itching or any skin related things. They have been employed, but if it goes to the central nervous system, it causes neurotoxin, means brain will get toxified, and also it will affect the various types of organs like liver, kidneys also it will be affected. So it is very dangerous to get consumed, or it is being used for the internally. It is very danger. So that's why we are not using. Okay. So last one is the chloramine T. Fourth one is chloramine T. What is this chloramine T? Chloramine T. So this is the last one. In this chloramine T is a benzene derivatives where there is a methyl group is there and a sulfonamide group is there, but it is a salt of sulfonamide or sodium salt of sulfonamide. So what is it particularly we call it as means benzene 4-methyl, means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a way of numbering. Its name is 4-methyl benzene sulfonamide salt. This is an IUPAC name of this chloramine T. So chloramine T is very simple. 4-methyl. At 4th position there is a methyl. This is a sulfonamide group. This is a benzene group. So 4-methyl benzene sulfonamide salt, sodium salt. So sodium salt have been used for the chloramine, to prepare the chloramine T. So they are used for the disinfectant. You know that disinfectants. You use the floor, disinfectant. disinfectant to kill the surface of the microorganisms. For cleaning the floors, used as a disinfectant. This is chloramine T is used as for the disinfectant. Bactericidal means killing of bacteria. It is used in the fungicide. Fungicide kills the fungi or stops the growth of fungi. It is a fungicide. It is also used as a germicide. Stops the growth of germs. It is used as a treatment of, sometimes they are effective against tuberculosis. So they are used in the TB by killing the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This is a microorganism. By killing the microorganism Mycobacterium tuberculosis, they are used. So they are used as a bactericidal or killing the bacteria, or fungicide means killing or stopping the growth of fungi, or germicide, or they are also used as a viricide. They stop the growth of virus. So these are the various uses of chloramine T, and this is a very simple topic. It will be asked for 2 marks question, structure and uses. You have to remember just the structure. By the name itself indicates the structure. We have studied 4 important selected compounds. First one DDT, dichlorodiphenyl trichloroethane. Second one is saccharin, that is benzothiazole derivative. Third one is we have studied benzene hexachloride. Fourth one, that is chloramine T. Their structure and uses are this. It's nothing to do with the concept oriented of this particular topic. It's just you have to remember the structure, practice the structure well, and in the name of the compound itself you can remember the structure. These all compounds are much used for the germicides, they are bactericides or insecticides. They are used majorly benzene derivatives in those particular way. Okay, this is all about the today class. Thank you.